Hi Wagwan family, hope you're all doing well. We're in the gorgeous Marmaris. I'm just going to take a little walk up the promenade. So this is the main promenade in Marmaris Strip, and I'm going to do a little price point. So we want to know what the average price for a piece of fish, good steak and a beer. So let's see Wagwan, you guys know the vibe. So we've got coming up Batman. Hopefully I'm walking the right way. We did that way yesterday, doing this way today. Let's have a look at the prices. Hiya.
Hello, prices here.
Ah, perfect, thank you very much.
Yeah, here is prices.
So I'm just looking at what your average price is for a steak. So if you're going for a fillet, it's 950, is that lira?
Yes.
And then if we're going to do a beer, so for a pint of the local, it's
200 lira.
200 lira. And then if you want a piece of fish, do you do fish in this one? Ah, perfect. Seafood, let's go for salmon, 750 lira.
There are many options, darling.
Loads of options.
You can eat on the rooftop this one.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah,
so you guys can see that right up there. Beautiful.
If you want to have fun, good food, this is the right place. I don't mean that because I'm working on here. You never know if you don't try it.
Lovely, thank you.
Best.
Cheers.
Alright, cheers.
Bye bye.
See you later.
So that was Batman, like he said. It's got a nice roof terrace as well. That's always good. I do like a roof terrace, especially at night time, to get the stunning view of the beautiful beach, which is just literally over there. So like I said, this is the main promenade. Oh, it's all going up on this one. I'm going to have to walk quite fast because of the copyright. The nice little pool. So yeah, let's move over. Try and keep talking. Right, so we got, this one looks like it's closed off at the moment. We'll go to the next one. Got the water park there. I did a video on that on the previous time I was here. So do check that out. The prices were actually really good, if I remember correctly. You get like a wristband and you get to go in and out. You've got access to the beach as well, so you can go in like the water, and you've got like, access from like 10 till 6. I'm going to show you guys. You've got the sort of water slides. Really, really nice. And you can come in and out, which I think's, so this is Atlantis water park. I've got the Twister one there. And then they've got all those. So you've got Black Hole, Wild River, Splash Boat Run, Super Slide, Free Pool, Rainbow, Kamikaze, Twister, Kids Pool, Wave Pool, and a restaurant and beach bar. Absolutely perfect. Hello. Oh, we've had a look, but I'm just showing the audience, don't worry.
Don't forget.
We've already been in there, but I just wanted to show them. Is it still the same price as it was last time, 26? Let's have a quick look, guys, just see in case it's changed. Like I said, we did do this back in May, but let's see what it is for like the current season.
Prices here.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah, the 511.
Yeah, 150. Yeah.
For
Ah, perfect. Free for little
yeah,
ones.
for baby, for free.
Not bad at all.
You want to look at each side?
Yeah, I'll have a little quick. Thank you. Cheers. I'll have a little quick nosy again. We've got like the pool area there. Music is quite loud, so I'll try and talk over it. Got your food prices. But you know, it's something to do, especially if you're with a family. It's a nice little day out. There's the big one. Goes all the way up there, so if you're scared of heights. And then you've got all the other rides. Very busy. Very, very busy. And then you've got your beers and your drinks and everything. But yeah, I definitely think it's worthwhile, especially if you've got a young family. Like I said, I'm sorry to say about a million different videos. I get extremely spoiled because we go to Cyan Park. Thank you so much for that. Bye bye. Cyan Park, and for me that's just like the top water park. But if you are in this neck of the woods, it is nice to have an option. And who doesn't like going down a slide? So we got the Atlantis. Hello.
Hello.
So let's have a look. Beer, so 195. Large beer 210. Let's have a look if they do. It does more like burgers and stuff on this one. So you got your fillet steak, 850 lira. Good prices. Good prices. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And they got a stage and everything. And again, you got the beach right there. So we got the Blackpool restaurant and bar. Again, really big screens, good size. There is football on tonight. Can't remember who's playing, we'll have a look later. So you got your like breakfast and everything. So fillet, there we go. And then where is the, so they do fish, tuna, that's pizza. There you go, so you got your sea bream, fish and chips. So let's say sea bass, 920 lira. And what's the price of your beer if you want a pint of beer?
Which?
Just FA's or turbo.
FS beer is 195.
195, perfect, thank you very much. There you go, that's the Blackpool. Let's keep going. A little bit quieter today on the beach. Really nice and calm water though. So we got the Marmaris Beach restaurant and bar coming up. Big screens. England, there you go, it's England Andorra. So quite an important one today, so have to make sure we catch that. We also want to go and see the fountain. So we're a couple of hours ahead over here, so we can do that and then go watch the football. Right, so steak, 100,095 lira. And fish, so let's go for salmon, 945 lira. And let's have a look at the drink menu for you guys so we can get like a rough idea. This is a price one after all. I know it's just more of the food. There we go, let's keep going. Vamos. Vamos, vamos, vamos. There we go. Desserts, pepper steak. Looks more like a snack on this one. Let's have a look. Beer. Glass of wine, house wines, red wines. Doesn't have the beer prices on here. That's a nice one. Nice cabanas there. Show you guys. A little ice cream. Big car park there. So Blue Bay Beach. A lot more packed this end. It's amazing, you just go up a couple of minutes and it's around though. You've got all the water sports, so have a little quick look down there. So like I said, this is Marmaris main promenade, peak of the season. We're at the beginning of September. Really, really nice weather. And this is the current prices, 2025. So if anyone's coming out, gives you a rough idea of what to bring, what to expect for this time of year. So you can be completely prepared for your holiday. That's a nice hotel with pool. Right on the beach again. So let's take a little wander down here. It's like going to the Oscars or something. Nice little red carpet. So I do prefer these and you don't have to step on the beach, so I've got no sand on my feet. But look at that. Right on the water. So if you do like the beach, you don't have to go very far in your sun lounges. And then you've got this area which is a lot nicer because again you don't have to get all sandy and you can go straight into the ocean. There you go, do snorkeling. Got someone standing there so it doesn't seem like it's too deep. All your little boats and everything. All your fun little beach rides. Nice little speedboat over there. cars, got the nice little pink car at the bottom, and another little point to get into the ocean, and somewhere to like wash your feet and everything. So yeah, a lot more ideal. Do you prefer that than getting on the sand? It's a lot more better. So yeah, so that was just a little walk, wander up, giving you like a price point so you can see what to expect if you want a steak, fish or a pint. Hope that's done you guys well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.